Good morning, student of class 4. Today we will learn about the Himalayas, the god of our nation. Himalaya. The Himalaya mountain ranges are called the house of snow. The Himalaya mountain is also called the house of snow. The Himalaya stretch from the northern parts of the Jammu and Kashmir in the northwestern parts of India to the Arunachal Pradesh in the easternmost parts of India. And this Himalaya further also take a stretch to the border to the Myanmar also. And this Himalaya ranges is known as the Purvanchal range. The Himalayas lies in the Himalaya regions, and this Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh lies in the northern part of Himalaya, whereas Uttarakhand and the hills of the northern parts of West Bengal ranges are in the in the central parts of this Himalaya ranges, whereas Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim in the eastern parts of these ranges. Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura are all in the Purvanchal parts. Mount Everest is the highest Himalaya ranges highest peak in this Himalaya ranges, and it is located in Nepal, and its height is 8,848 meters height. And the highest peak of India is Kanchenjunga. It is in the state of Sikkim, and the highest peak of India is Kanchenjunga. Other than Kanchenjunga, in this Himalaya, there is also Dhaulagiri, Mansalu, and Nanda Devi. These are also high peaks of these Himalaya ranges. The Himalaya ranges consist of three ranges. That is the Great Himalaya, or the Himadri, the Himachal, or the Middle Himalaya, and the Outer Himalaya, or the Shivalik ranges. The Great Himalaya is known as the Himadri. The Great Himalaya means the topmost portion of this Himalaya ranges is called the Himadri. It has the highest ranges in the world and is always covered with snow. Slow moving masses of glacier and are found in these regions. All the rivers of the Himalayas originated from these glaciers area of these Himalayas, like the most of the rivers of northern India like Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Ravi, all these are originated from the Himalayas. So on this topmost portions of this Himalaya or the Himadri, life is not possible in this region, so no plants and animals live in here. The Middle Himalaya. The Middle Himalaya is known as the Himachal. Middle part of this Himalaya ranges is called the Himachal. Many hill stations like Simla, that is in the Himachal Pradesh. Simla is in the Himachal Pradesh, and in the Himachal Pradesh. Nainital, it is in the Uttar Pradesh, and Darjeeling in the northern parts of West Bengal lies in this Middle Himalaya. Okay, and some in this lower slope of this Himalayas, like the many religious temples like Kedarnath, Badrinath, all these religious temples and pilgrims places are there in this Middle Himalayas. The mountain slopes are covered with a thick forest of deodar and pine trees. Fruits like apple, pears, almond, and plums are found in this Middle Himalayas. Summer are pleasant, and so many tourists visit this region in the summer season. And the Outer Himalaya. This range is also known as the Shivalik range or the Lower Himalaya. Lower Himalaya is known as the Outer Himalaya or the Shivalik ranges. Is the lowest of all these three Himalayas. The region of the south of this Himalayan is called the Tarai region. The lower part of this Himalaya areas is called the Tarai region. Most of this region lies in Uttarakhand. Most of this Tarai region is located in the found in the Tarai region. It is in Uttarakhand. This region has a long grasses and a thick forest. These forests are the home of many wild animals like tiger, leopard, elephant. The Corbett, Jim Corbett or the Dudhwa national parks are also famous, and all these national parks are also lies in this Tarai region or the Outer Himalaya or the Shivalik ranges. The northeast hills of this range are full of forests with teak trees. These hills include the Naga, Lusai, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia hills. The climate in this region is hot and wet, so we find tea gardens also in this area. The northeastern Himalayas. This portion, northeastern Himalayas, are full of thick forest and teak trees. These hills include Naga Hills. Naga Hills in this is Naga Hills. Garo, it is in the Meghalaya. Khasi Hills also is located in Meghalaya. Jaintia Hills also is in Meghalaya states, and this region is also is hot and wet, so we can find tea gardens also in these areas. So children, today we have learned the Himalayas, topmost parts of Himalayas, that is called the Great Himalayas, Middle Himalaya and the Outer Himalaya. In the next class we will learn about the places, climate, which other states are you can found in this Himalaya areas.